Hey everyone, so today I'm here to talk about the Curious by Britney Spears fragrance spray. So this spray is something that I've had for a pretty long time, I would say close to a year. And as you can see, I used about 3/4 of the bottle, and the entire bottle has 4.2 fluid ounces of the spray. It's a pretty lightweight bottle. It's made out of plastic. I can easily pick it up and put it down. And when I need to go use it, all I need to do is pop off the top, which as you can see is pretty quick and easy. And then on top of the sprayer, I just go, and I usually spray it on the inside of my palms, or I spray it on my neck, and then I'm good to go. Now, I do want to talk about a big difference between the Curious by Britney Spears perfume and the Curious by Britney Spears fragrance spray. The fragrance spray lasts a very smaller amount of time, so I would say anywhere between 30 minutes to an hour, meaning you're going to have to reapply. And I'll give you an example of my own life and demonstrate this. When I go to the gym and I need to go somewhere after, I will usually have this in my purse. I will go upstairs, take a 1-minute shower, put on my clothes, put on this spray, go where I need to go. And then every time I use the bathroom, I will put on this spray real quick and then come out. And that is a way for me to sustain the smell of this spray throughout the night. Now, the actual smell of the spray, I would describe as a cross between fruity and seductive, which I think is what Britney Spears was going for, because the name of the spray is Curious. So it's not overpowering, but at the same time, when you walk by, someone will smell whatever you have on you, and they will smell the Curious by Britney Spears, and they're like, that person smells nice. But I would say for the perfume lasts a lot longer, and you don't really need to reapply, and it's also a lot stronger. And, depending on the person, some people may not want to reapply. Some people don't mind. So I'm thinking about the advantages and disadvantages of perfumes versus fragrance sprays. You kind of need to make your determination based off of what product would be best for you. But overall, I'm pretty happy with the product. I bought it a couple of times, and I would say that this would last me for about a year, if not a little bit more. It depends on how often I go out, just my daily routine, things like that. But overall, I would say that it's a good product. It's a good product for my needs, and I'm able to adapt to the limitations of the product. I will say though that once things start to taper off towards the end, when this line kind of gets towards the bottle and bottom, and the straw is kind of sucking up the last of the spray, you're going to have to really kind of fumble around with it to make sure that the actual straw is in the liquid and that you can get the spray that you need. And other than that, it works pretty well, really does the trick for me. I did notice when I first bought the product that, it was promoted as something that can help moisturize your skin. I haven't noticed that at all. Other people may have, but I really haven't noticed that in any way, shape, or form. But they were true to how they marketed the product. It's lightweight, it's easy to use, it comes in attractive packaging. besides the advantages and disadvantages I mentioned, there really is nothing bad to say about the product. It's something that I would definitely recommend to friends, family, and things like that. And, I'm trying to think back to when I discovered this product. And thinking back to that, I was actually searching through Google, and that's where it popped up. And then I remember watching a commercial on TV, and it popped up there as well. So between those two mediums, that's how I found out about this product, and then I just purchased it online. If you're looking for a good fragrance spray and you're fine with the fact that you need to reapply, you don't want something overly strong, but you want it to smell seductive, so ideal for nightclubs, bars, things like that, this is the go-to product for you. Thanks, everyone. I hope you enjoyed my review, and I hope you have a great night.